A single wrong document can cost millions. Is your company ready to avoid this? In the auto industry, an error isn't just a number, it's $1 million recall. And worst of all, the problem often isn't even in your product. It's in the lack of document control, manual processes, and disconnected systems that should work together. We know how this impacts your daily routine. That's why SoftExpert wants to help you avoid this reality. Automate the delivery of critical documents to global automakers in minutes. Keep FMAs always audible without conflicting versions. Standardize processes with BPM and anticipate failures using AI. Scale operations to any country while maintaining total compliance. Get ahead of problems with smart risk analysis. All this without relying on luck or overtime. With SoftExpert Suite, your audits aren't a nightmare. They're proof your operation is a benchmark. Turn automotive complexity into a competitive advantage. Schedule a demo